Welcome back to the Auto Analyst. If you're planning to buy a car this year, you need to watch this video until the end. Today, we're breaking down 12 car brands you should think twice about before buying in 2024. We're talking about reliability issues, high maintenance costs, and even poor resale values. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Fiat. First on the list is Fiat. While they might have cute designs and are popular in Europe, Fiat has struggled in North America for years. The main issue? Reliability. Fiat models have a reputation for frequent breakdowns, and finding parts can be a hassle. So unless you have a trusted Fiat mechanic, it might be better to avoid this brand. Number 2. Jeep. Second, we have Jeep. Known for off-road capabilities, right? But when it comes to reliability, Jeep has been scoring pretty low. Models like the Jeep Compass and Renegade have had complaints about transmission and electrical issues, so if you're looking for a reliable SUV, you might want to consider other brands. Number 3. Land Rover. Moving on to Land Rover. Luxury SUV with a bold look, but it comes at a price, both at the dealership and the repair shop. Land Rovers are known for being high maintenance and expensive to repair. Their resale value also takes a hit due to frequent issues with electronics and suspension. Number 4. Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo makes beautiful cars with sporty handling, but they are often high maintenance. Reliability is an ongoing issue for Alfa, especially with their SUVs like the Stelvio. Many owners report frequent electrical problems and inconsistent quality, which means it's risky if you're looking for long-term ownership. Number 5. Maserati. Next is Maserati. We all know Maserati for its luxury appeal, but it's another brand you should avoid unless you're ready for high maintenance costs. Common issues with Maseratis include problems with the engine, transmission, and interior build quality, and repairs not cheap at all. Number 6. Tesla. Yes, Tesla made the list. They might be the leaders in electric cars, but their quality control still has issues. Owners report problems like body panel misalignments, paint issues, and interior rattling. While their tech is top-notch, their reliability can be hit or miss. Consider other EV options if reliability is a big factor for you. Number 7. Cadillac. Cadillac is next on our list. While Cadillacs have a certain appeal, they have a history of reliability problems, especially in recent years. Models like the XT4 and Escalade have faced issues with transmissions and electronics, which lead to high maintenance costs. So, unless you're set on a Cadillac, it might be better to look elsewhere. Number 8. Chrysler. Chrysler has a history of releasing models with frequent breakdowns. The Chrysler 300 and the Pacifica minivan often get complaints about issues with the transmission, engine, and electrical systems. If you need a reliable family car, consider other brands with better reputations. Number 9. Jaguar. Jaguar, known for luxury and style, but unfortunately, it's also known for being unreliable. Jaguars tend to have issues with their electronics, engine, and even basic build quality. And just like Land Rover, repairs can be really costly. If you're going for luxury, there are other brands that offer more dependability. Number 10. Mini. Mini Coopers are fun and stylish, but they often come with reliability concerns. Many owners report issues with the engine and transmission. Maintenance can be costly, and these cars tend to have lower resale values due to frequent mechanical problems. Consider this if you're looking for something more budget-friendly in the long run. Number 11. Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi used to be popular, but it's been lagging behind in recent years. The brand doesn't rank high on reliability, and the build quality of some models, like the Outlander, has been disappointing. Mitsubishi cars also tend to have poor resale value, so it might be better to skip this brand if you're looking for a reliable investment. Number 12. Nissan. And last but not least, we have Nissan. Though it used to be a go-to brand for reliability, Nissan has faced some serious issues with its recent models. Transmission issues, especially with the CVT, have plagued models like the Rogue and Altima. These problems lead to higher maintenance costs and a lower resale value. So, think twice before going for a Nissan in 2024. There you have it. 12 car brands to think twice about before buying in 2024. Remember, this doesn't mean every model in these brands is bad, but it's worth doing your research and understanding the potential issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Auto Analyst for more car advice, reviews, and tips. Let us know in the comments if you agree with this list or if there's another brand you'd add. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed. Thanks, Fo.